Hi guys, this is ur14cs151 and today I'm going to explain my compiler lab exercise 6, that is to simulate assembler for a simplified instruction computer. So this is my code over here. I have imported all the necessary files, and then this is my class compiler wherein I have written my functions. So before doing this, I have created few files here, that is program, inter and optable for so that I can open my wherein I have given my files is in the compiler. I have given three, wherein I have given the program, text, table and inter, my following. So in program I have given my program. uh, in this file I have given the assembly program here, and then in the op table I have given the opcode for my instructions, that is STA, LD and STX. So moving on to the next, I have here, I'll retrieve those values here using the hash table op and then ready op table function I have called, and then a new hash table of array 30, and then I'll read the buffer from these values from these files, that is program.txt and inter.txt. Then when the location counter as 0, I'll start and then if the line dot contains start means it will split up into two. It will split up wherever um, this empty string is there, and in start equals to int dot parse int, I have given two arrays c2 and 16 and location counter as start. When the start is equals to 0, my location counter will be assigned a value of start, and then I'll write the values into the line, and then if it contains an end means it will go to the function pass1 symbol update, and then line opcode symbol location counter write, everything will be added. Now similarly for the location, then I have called this function here, inter.text I have called, and then again the same functions, that is pass2, I will be converting all these values and then saving the line, opcode and symbol there also. Then to the 26 function, sorry, to the 26 function I'll return the word with the 0 incremented with the word, and similarly the pass2 function I have declared here, and the pass1 symbol update I have required, wherein I have entered all the object code plus the reserve word, reserve byte and the word to find the object code. And then in the ready op table I have called the hash table function buffer reader to read from the op table, and then string line and op table dot int parse int c1, and then I'll close. So when I run the file, this is my output here. So you can see hash copy and then the starting address which I had given as 4000, and then the next values for the text area these many, and for the end again the starting address of the first executable instruction. So this is the end of my 6 experiment.